Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Khalid Hassan Munshi. My ID is 241-15730. Today we will be discussing about the life cycle of system analysis and design, a structure method to develop an information system. This model includes 9 phases to ensure system's efficiency, reliability, cost effective and satisfying user requirements. We begin with requirement determination. At this stage, we identify the problem or opportunities and understand the needs, user needs and system goals. Mainly we use some techniques to gather information like interviews, surveys, observation, document analysis, etc.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nusrat Jahan, ID 241-15324. My topic's name is feasibility analysis. What is feasibility analysis? Feasibility analysis is the process what the system should do. It is the part functional requirement. Functional requirement is the process what the system must be do, and it is for example login and also notification. Non-functional requirement. Non-functional requirement is the process what the system is the quality, and its example reliability, functionality, scalability, and also system constraints. Feasibility analysis. Feasibility analysis is the process where the system is the practical or possible, and its types of feasibility technical. Technical means what system used in the tools. Economics means also cost, benefits, and also operational. Operational means it's usable or not usable. Legal means it's the law and effective.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sadiya Islam Poppy. My ID is 241-15849. Before starting presentation, I would like to thank our honorable course teacher, Srajan ma'am. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to represent our presentation. As you already know that today our topic is life cycle of system analysis and design. And now I will explain the final specification of our system. Well, in this stage we prepare the final version of requirements, and it checked and approved by stakeholder, and it is also combined the requirement specification and feasibility analysis, and the final documents designed for the phase of the system in the process. Next part. Now moving to the next stage, which is hardware stack, and here we identify what hardware needs the system such as server, workstation, network, equipment and storage, and then we evaluate our different options based on the performance, cost and compatibility, and finally we select the best hardware configuration for the system. Thank you so much for hearing this presentation. That's all about our presentation.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Rakib Hassan Rafi. My ID is 241-15144. Today our presentation topic is life cycle of system analysis and design. My part is system design. So we can break out in two parts. First is logical design and second is physical design. So what is logical design? Logical design is a process of modeling input and output design database of logical model. And the second part is physical design. Actual database structure using interface design, using the system architecture and security mechanism. And then comes on the output part, which is complete system blueprint. Next slide. Now moving to the system implementation. What is implementation? Implementation in this part, we actually doing the coding for the system, modeling integration and database creation. And then comes the hardware setup, user training and data migration from the whole output system, working very smoothly.
Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdi Waliullah, ID 241-15688. So my topic for this presentation is system evaluation. Well, what is system evaluation? System evaluation means when I implement the system, after implementing the system, the test is that if my system is working properly or not, and my integrating systems are working properly or not, combining if users facing any issue while the output and any other things. In easy language, if my system is working as expected or not. Next slide. Here is the system modification. It comes after the last topic, that if my system is not working properly, or if I am not getting enough proper output, or my user having any issues, then I need to modify my system. That's the topic, or that's the phase we call system modification. here we fix bugs and discover what can be developed in the system. And obviously, after sometimes we build the system, we need some new features to stay up to date, and we need to improve the efficiency, especially when the traffic get higher or more people uses our system. Then we need to improve our efficiency and a lot of other things. So this is the phase where we modify our system after implementing this. So this is the place where it is a continuous phase actually after implementing a system. So this is our system modification. So I am concluding our presentation. So my friends have discussed all the 9 topics what a system analysis do while implementing a system or while building a system. So these are the basics topics or the main rules you can say when we build a system or when we implement any system or any kind of software. So that was all from us. Thank you for your patience. We apologize for our mistakes. Thank you.